First things first. Oh, bro! Yo, what is up fam? Thanks once again for tuning into the channel. So this is KIXPLORE, where we talk about sneakers, streetwear, travel, and a little bit of everything in between. So today we're doing another review for the mystery box. So a while ago, there's a guy, his name's Fred, contacted me via Instagram, through my Instagram. If you don't know my Instagram, here it is, KIXPLORE, check it out. And he just mentioned to me and offered, hey, I'm doing these mystery boxes like I think every second week. He does it fortnightly, and yeah, he just said like if I wanted to get one, and I was just like, oh well, I do really want to support the locals and stuff, so why not? So I decided to go pull a trigger. Now it's obviously, this one isn't as big as the other one I did for KIXTW, which was like the $1,500 one. That was massive, that was crazy. I had to go and you know, step down a little and try a different, a cheaper price range. So he does, I know 100, 200 and 300 mystery boxes, and he does them fortnightly. He also does steals and deals on his actual Instagram. His Instagram is down below. So Sydney Reseller, Sydney_reseller is his Instagram. Do check him out, guys, because he does have a lot of good stuff on his for sale on his Instagram, and you know, we should be really trying to support the locals. Anyway, guys, do check it out, and without further ado, let's get into this mystery box, eh? So here is the box, the mystery box. So before I continue, I decided to go pull the trigger on the $100 mystery box, but as Fred was actually going through the you know, all the items he was putting in, he actually updated me and told me that it's actually worth a little bit more than like, because the price range is 100, 200, 300, right? So he said to me, yours is more like, because I wanted to get the $100 one, right? And he was like, yours is more like $150 one, because there was actually a lot more stuff he added in. So thank you very much, Fred. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity to do your mystery box, and I hope I do you justice, bro. Anyway, so this is the box. It's, as you can see there, big question marks. So I'm guessing that this is the right way up, and I'm just gonna open it from the top, eh? So I'm gonna use a pair of scissors. You can use standing knife. Oh, I think it's already sort of open. Just open it a bit lightly. Open it nicely. Always remember to like strike away from yourself, guys. Always good to be safe when using sharp objects. Before I get into it, I'm gonna try to do it one by one. I'll try to do like a little breakdown of how much everything costs and stuff as well, and I'll try to do a grand total at the end of how much everything costs, and how much value and I actually got. So let's get into it, eh? First things first. Oh, bro! Bro, first thing I see, man. Bro, got, oh, come on, man. I got sneakers? No way. Bro, I got sneakers. I didn't even expect to get any shoes, and I got sneakers, bro. Check it out. True blues, bro. These are used, obviously, so I can tell, but I don't care. Hey, bro, it's about $100 and I got shoes, man. That's still sick, man. That's still sick. That's sick. Okay, so there's one shoe. There's the other. So you can tell it's used, but who cares, bro? That's sick. That is sick, bro. I got shoes, bro. Okay, so the second major thing. Oh, maybe we should start with the small things first, eh? So here, he also adds in there a little Sneaker Freaker magazine. This is issue 38, 200 pages. Always really good to, you know, read these. If you're a big sneakerhead, always kind of educating yourself with the sneaker culture. Yeah, this is sick. This is cool. And he also gave me the Hype Beast. Oh, sheesh. It's a Hypebeast, I don't know, magazine, as you can see there. It looks like, is that a sticker? It's got like palette stickers on the side there. That's cool. But I don't know what the price is for these. And with the Jordans, come on man. I at least made my money back with the Jordans already. I have to actually look at how much these are reselling for, used or unused, but that's still pretty sick. What else is there? So yeah, technically I made my money back already with just the shoes already. So there, I got 2 magazines. Here's another magazine. So we got another magazine here. So there's another Sneaker Freaker magazine, issue 34. Always very good to educate yourself in the sneaker streetwear culture. Okay, I'm just gonna feel around. You guys could probably already notice this. Alright, I'll just take it out. So this is I've seen this before. This is sort of like a sneaker pillow. A Yeezy pillow. A sneaker themed pillow. As you see, there's the Yeezy 320s. I don't know. I know I've seen a couple of these already. I just don't know who actually makes them, but this is cool. I could definitely use this around the house, you know, to increase my Hypebeast kind of I don't know, interior decorating. Yeah. But there's another one there. And looking around. So now there's only this bag that's left here. I'll put this down. Ooh. So I don't know what's gonna be inside here. Let's find out. I don't know. I think it's a t-shirt because it feels like clothes. Okay, I think it's just one t-shirt. Okay. Oh, it's the Cause. I can see, I saw the heart. It's the Cause t-shirt, bro. Bro. That's sick. Sort of like a play on the Comme des Garçons t-shirt. I don't know if you guys know, but that's sick. So a Cause t-shirt like this retails for, I think it was like $20 or $30. I'm not really sure, but for the retail it would be something like that. For resale it'll probably be bigger. But yeah, this is dope, man. This is sick, bro. Cause this matches with my True Blues as well. This is sick, man. This is one drip that I can have already. And yeah, I'm pretty actually happy with this little $100. It's actually, yeah, what he said was $150 was it a mystery box. So what do you guys think? Did I get my money's worth? Let me know in the comments below, and let me know what was your favorite kind of item in the mystery box, because yeah, this is sick, bro. This is sick. I'm really happy. I'm so happy with this actual video, man. This actual mystery box too. So you know, you got something for the house, you got something for your feet, and you got something to wear as well to drip out, if you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, don't forget to check out Fred's Instagram. It's reseller, or Sydney_reseller, or the other way around. Sorry, but yeah, so definitely check him out. He has steals and deals. He also does a lot of he's like a reselling, he does proxies as well, so do check him out. He does have a lot of good stuff on his Instagram. I did see that he had what's it, the latest Jordans that came out. I forgot what they're called. Oh man, the black toes or bread toes. Oh, I can't remember what they were called, but they were sick, man. He had a couple of those. He had a couple of other stuff as well that's on for sale. So make sure you follow him, because I know all the stuff he does have usually sells out pretty quickly. So if you want to steal, you gotta be quick. You gotta be the early bird that gets a worm kind of thing. Anyway guys, thanks once again for watching this video. I do hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think about this mystery box and other mystery boxes out there. Like, are there other ones that you recommend? Let us know in the comments down below. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
My life wasn't perfect, yeah, I know that now. When it came crashing down, all I know is that I need you around. When it comes crashing down, all I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby, you can give me everything I want. Everything I want. You are all I need now. It's crazy.